Welcome to this guided meditation to meet your spirit guides. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting down or lying down. Rest your hands by your sides, and when you're ready, softly close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension in your body. Feel the support of the earth beneath you. Notice the points where your body connects with the ground and how it holds you. With each breath, let yourself feel more supported, more grounded, as though the earth is cradling you. Take a moment to simply be here, present in your body. Allow your muscles to relax. Feel your shoulders drop, feel your jaw loosen, and your entire body soften into this moment. Take another deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, sinking deeper into relaxation with each exhale. In and out. In and out. Now, allow your breath to flow naturally, focusing your attention on the sensation of the air as it enters your body, nourishing you, and as it leaves your body, releasing all tension. Each time you inhale, feel the coolness of the air, and each time you exhale, feel the warmth of the air leaving your body, taking with it any heaviness or stress. With every breath, you become more present and more peaceful. Let your breath be a guide, leading you to a deeper state of relaxation. Feel your breath moving through your chest, down into your belly, and back out again. Each cycle of breath is a reminder that you are here, now, in this space that is safe and sacred. As you breathe in, feel a sense of calm entering your body. As you breathe out, let go of any worries, any thoughts from the day, releasing them with ease. Now, gently bring your attention to the top of your head. Begin to scan down your body, noticing any areas of tension and allowing them to relax. Feel the muscles of your scalp soften, and let this relaxation flow down to your forehead. Allow your eyes to relax, the muscles around your eyes melting away any tension. Relax your cheeks, your jaw, your neck. Let this wave of relaxation continue down into your shoulders, releasing any tightness or heaviness. Feel your arms grow heavier, your hands relaxing as you continue to breathe deeply. Feel this relaxation flow down to your chest, through your abdomen, and into your lower back and hips. Release any remaining tension. Feel the flow of relaxation go into your legs, feeling them become loose and heavy. Feel the relaxation flow down to your knees, your calves, your ankles, and your feet, all the way to your toes. Now, your whole body is at ease, deeply relaxed and supported by the earth. Now, imagine yourself standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. This is not an ordinary staircase. This is a staircase that leads to a place of deep inner wisdom and connection. There are 10 wide, sturdy steps ahead of you, each one taking you closer to meeting your spirit guide. Take a deep breath in, and with your next exhale, take your first step down. 10. You feel a sense of relaxation washing over you. 9. Breathing in and stepping down again. With each step, you feel lighter, more at peace. 8. The soft light at the bottom of the staircase is growing brighter and warmer. 7. Breathing in deeply, exhaling fully, moving down one more step. 6. Feeling completely at ease, knowing that you are safe and supported on this journey. 5. Halfway down now, your mind is clear, your body fully relaxed. 4. The light at the bottom of the staircase is glowing brighter, inviting you toward it. 3. Breathing deeply, stepping down again, feeling a deep sense of calm. 2. The light is now surrounding you, bathing you in warmth and love. 1. You have reached the bottom of the staircase. Take a moment here, fully relaxed and ready to continue your journey. Before you, there is a large wooden door, gently glowing in the same warm light. As you approach the door, feel the energy behind it, the energy of connection, love, and wisdom. This door leads to a sacred garden, a place where you will meet your spirit guide. Take a deep breath in and out, and when you're ready, gently push the door open. Take a step through the doorway, and you find yourself in the most beautiful garden you've ever seen. The air is fresh and clean. The sun is warm, but not too hot, and it fills the space with a golden light. Around you are tall, magnificent trees, their leaves swaying gently in the breeze. The grass under your feet is soft, and the flowers are in full bloom. Notice their vibrant colors. Take a few moments to walk through the garden. Notice what you see. Notice the sounds and the smells. feel the peace of this place. This garden is your sacred space, a place of safety, love, and connection. As you walk, you notice a small stream flowing gently through the garden, the sound of the water calming and soothing. You follow the stream until you reach a quiet, open space. As you stand here, you begin to notice a figure approaching you from a distance. This figure is your spirit guide, a being of pure love and light who has always been with you, ready to guide you on your path. As the figure comes closer, you feel a sense of familiarity, as though you are meeting an old friend. Their energy is warm, supportive, and loving. You feel completely safe, completely at peace. Your guide stands before you now. Take a moment to greet them and feel their presence. Notice how they appear to you, perhaps as light, or as a figure, or simply as a feeling. Trust whatever comes to you, knowing that this is your guide's unique way of connecting with you. Now that you are together, take this time to connect deeply with your guide. You can simply sit in their presence, absorbing their love and wisdom, or ask questions. Be open to any messages, any guidance that comes through, whether it's through words, images, sensations, or a deep sense of knowing. Notice how you feel connected to your guide. Your guide is here for you, ready to assist you on your journey. They are filled with love and gratitude for your willingness to connect. Spend the next few moments in this sacred space, communicating with your guide, receiving their messages, and feeling their support. when you're ready, thank your guide for being here with you today, and know that you can always return to this place, to this connection, whenever you need. Your guide is always with you, always ready to offer their love and guidance. Now it's time to return. Imagine the staircase before you once again. As you begin to walk up with each step, you become more aware of your surroundings. Take the first step. 1, feeling the earth beneath you. 2, breathing deeply, feeling more awake. 3, gently wiggling your fingers and toes. 4, becoming more aware of your body. 5, feeling lighter, more refreshed. 6, starting to sense the room around you. 7, taking a deep breath in, feeling the aliveness in your body. 8, feeling fully present in your physical body. 9, gently bringing your awareness back. 10, when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Take a moment to sit in stillness, allowing yourself to fully return to the present moment, bringing with you the confidence of the connection you've made with your spirit guide. Know that the connection you've made today is always with you, and trust that signs from your guide will continue to appear in the days ahead. Thank you for sharing this beautiful journey. Namaste.